In the vast expanse of our solar system, amongst the celestial ballet of planets and stars, there exist remnants from the dawn of time asteroids. These ancient travelers have been journeying through space for billions of years, carrying with them the secrets of the universe's formation. These ancient wanderers hold secrets to the universe's formation, silently traversing the cosmic dark. Each asteroid is a time capsule, preserving the conditions and materials from the early solar system. One such asteroid, 99942 Apophis, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos, has captured our attention. This particular asteroid stands out not just for its size, but for the dramatic story it tells. This celestial body, once considered a significant threat to Earth, will soon make a dramatic close approach, offering an unprecedented opportunity for scientific discovery. Scientists around the world are preparing to study Apophis in detail, hoping to unlock new insights about our solar system. Apophis's story is one of intrigue and evolving understanding. From initial fear to scientific curiosity, it has become a symbol of how our knowledge of space is constantly growing. Initially, its discovery sent ripples of concern through the scientific community, as early calculations suggested a small possibility of impact with Earth. The potential for such a collision sparked widespread interest and urgency in tracking its path. However, as our ability to track and analyze these celestial wanderers has improved, so has our understanding of Apophis's journey. With advanced technology and more precise measurements, scientists have been able to predict its trajectory with greater accuracy, alleviating fears of an imminent impact. This has allowed us to shift our focus from fear to fascination as we prepare to learn from this ancient traveler.
Apophis, measuring roughly 1,100 feet across, is no small celestial traveler. This massive rock, hurtling through space, has captured the attention of scientists and the public alike. In fact, it's about the size of the Eiffel Tower. Just imagine a structure that tall, but instead of standing still, it's moving through the cosmos at incredible speeds. When it was first discovered in 2004, astronomers were alarmed because initial observations suggested a worryingly high chance of it colliding with Earth in 2029. The potential impact scenario was a cause for global concern. Imagine the headlines, "Asteroid on collision course with Earth." The media frenzy that followed only heightened the sense of urgency and fear. The thought of such a large object entering our atmosphere, potentially causing widespread devastation, was a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability within the vastness of space. The catastrophic consequences of an impact were almost unimaginable. However, as we gathered more data and refined our calculations, the picture became clearer, and the risk significantly diminished. Through diligent observation and advanced technology, scientists were able to reassure the world that Apophis would not pose a threat in 2029.
The initial observations of Apophis were like trying to interpret a whisper from across a crowded room. Astronomers had limited data points, making it difficult to precisely plot its trajectory. But the scientific community went to work, using increasingly sophisticated telescopes and radar systems to refine Apophis's orbital path. Year after year, new observations chipped away at the uncertainty. Each new data point, like adding a piece to a complex jigsaw puzzle, brought us closer to understanding the true nature of Apophis's journey. The more we learned, the more our fears subsided.
On April 13, 2029, Apophis will make its closest approach to Earth, coming within a mere 19,800 miles of our planet's surface. This event has been anticipated by scientists and astronomers for years, as it offers a rare chance to observe an asteroid of this magnitude up close. To put that into perspective, it's closer than some of our satellites. These satellites, which orbit at various distances, will be outdistanced by Apophis, making this a truly unique event in our modern era of space observation. This close encounter, while no longer considered a threat, presents an unprecedented opportunity to study an asteroid of this size in such detail. Researchers are preparing to gather invaluable data that could enhance our understanding of these ancient space rocks and their trajectories. As Apophis grazes past Earth, it will be visible to the naked eye in certain parts of the world. Stargazers and amateur astronomers alike will have the chance to witness this extraordinary event without the need for telescopes or other equipment. Imagine looking up at the night sky and witnessing this ancient celestial voyager, a relic from the early solar system making its presence known. This asteroid, which has traveled through space for billions of years, will offer a glimpse into the past. It's a moment that will surely capture the imagination of people worldwide. From professional astronomers to casual sky watchers, the passage of Apophis will be a shared experience, uniting people in awe and wonder at the vastness and beauty of our universe.
So, what is Apophis actually made of? Based on its reflectivity and spectral analysis, scientists believe Apophis to be an S-type asteroid. This means it's primarily composed of silicate materials, similar to many rocks we find here on Earth.
However, there's still much we don't know about its internal structure. Is it a solid monolithic rock, or is it a loose collection of rubble held together by gravity? Does it contain valuable minerals or even water ice beneath its surface? These are questions that future missions like Osiris Apex aim to answer.
To capitalize on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, NASA has repurposed its OSIRIS-REx spacecraft, renaming it Osiris Apex. Origins, spectral interpretation, resource identification, security regolith explorer, Apophis Explorer. This ambitious mission will rendezvous with Apophis in 2029, spending over a year studying the asteroid from close range.
Osiris Apex is equipped with a suite of scientific instruments, including cameras, spectrometers, and a laser altimeter. These instruments will allow scientists to create a detailed map of Apophis's surface, analyze its composition, and even study its interior structure.
While Apophis no longer poses an immediate threat to Earth, its story serves as a stark reminder of the importance of planetary defense. By studying objects like Apophis, we gain valuable knowledge about the early solar system and the potential hazards that exist within our cosmic neighborhood.
The data gathered by Osiris Apex will not only deepen our understanding of Apophis itself, but will also provide crucial insights into asteroid deflection techniques. Should we ever need to deflect an asteroid on a collision course with Earth, the knowledge gained from studying Apophis could prove invaluable.
Apophis's story is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry, international collaboration, and the importance of remaining vigilant in the face of potential threats. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, we must remain mindful of the lessons learned from Apophis.
The future of near-Earth object studies is bright, with new telescopes and missions planned to further enhance our ability to detect, track, and characterize these celestial wanderers. By understanding these ancient remnants from the solar system's formation, we not only unravel the mysteries of our cosmic origins, but also safeguard the future of our planet.